A shower enclosure door can enhance the look and convenience of your bathroom. It emphasizes the tile work, tub, and the shower. Hello friends, are you looking for the best shower enclosure? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best shower enclosures that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Woodbridge Frameless Sliding Shower. At the high end of shower door enclosures is the Woodbridge Frameless Sliding Tub Door. This product features a tempered glass of 3/8 inches for a sleek and secure design. The stainless steel has a brushed nickel finish, and the frameless look is impressive. Customers love the quality of the materials and the luxurious look of the installed door. This sliding door is ideal for small bathrooms because it takes up much less space than swing doors. This model has a modern and luxurious design. Its clean and elegant look can be matched with different styles, modern, artisan, or traditional. It features premium, transparent, thick, and toughened safety glass. The top rail support provides anchoring to the wall and enhances the stability of the wall. Woodbridge's London-based product support team is happy to answer all of your sales or product questions. Features: walk-in opening 26 to 28 inches, stainless steel top guide bar can be trimmed up to 4 inches for width adjustment, matte black finish, transparent safety film bonded on the panels, anti-splash threshold, lifetime warranty on glass components, 2 years warranty on hardware components, 1 year warranty on vinyl components, available in 5 different designs. What are our favorite features? Modern and luxurious design. Available in 5 designs. Shatter retention glass. Waterproof. Amazing warranty coverage. Number 2. DreamLine Enigma-X 56 to 60 Shower Enclosure. The DreamLine Enigma Frameless Sliding Shower Enclosure is the perfect shower for those with large bathrooms who appreciate a more lavish lifestyle. This shower enclosure kit is unlike any other design you have seen yet. It offers an extremely modern look with its brushed stainless steel finish. Each metal screw and bar is smooth and shiny, while the glass and door are made out of a certified tempered glass that is crystal clear. This kit consists of a stationary panel, sliding door, inline and returns panels, a fully frameless design, and sturdy tempered glass. If you are looking for a high-end shower that will last you many years, look no further than the DreamLine Enigma. This kit is also perfect for individuals looking to do an entire bathroom remodel. The first thing every customer seems to repeat is its sophisticated and super clear glass structure. Consumers can tell how high quality and durable the entire kit is. Buyers are floored with the beautiful door and the protective packaging the kit comes in. However, some consumers say you are ordering this kit at your own risk because it has no provision for adjusting the position of the panels and out-of-plumb walls. Overall, consumers are extremely happy with the product, giving it a solid 4-star rating. What makes this fancy shower kit better than most kits on the market is its effortless sliding door action. Although many consumers praise it for its effortlessly sleek design, its sliding door keeps the water out and slides back and forth at a controlled and smooth speed. Pros: clear tempered glass, Clear Max protective glass coating, large wheel assembly for effortless sliding action. Cons: may be expensive. Number 3. Decors Breeze Shower Enclosure. This premium shower kit is designed for small bathrooms or small spaces of any type. Many small showers are usually made to be low quality. However, this small shower will make any small space look durable and chic. This kit is ideal for tiny corner showers, and it comes with a reversible shower door for small spaces. Made with acrylic base and walls, it will look appealing and clean. If your budget is a bit tight and you need a shower kit that is easy to install and affordable, the Decors Breeze Shower is for you. Also, if you need to add a shower for a new addition to the home or a half bath, the Decors Breeze will be a great investment. There is no need to hire an expensive plumbing team to install a brand new shower when you can order a shower kit under $1,000 and install it quickly yourself. Consumer reports often say how perfect this kit was for a small bathroom remodel. They were especially surprised with the quality of the kit, while many corner shower models are cheaply made. The only complaint that customers have voiced was their difficulty with installing the acrylic shower walls. An easy solution is by watching the YouTube video suggested first or hiring a professional to do it for you. Ultimately, we chose this shower to be the best kit for those with small spaces. Make sure you read the manual and watch the suggested video before starting the process. Advantages: stylish for a small shower. Acrylic base. Clear glass sliding door. Reversible shower door. Tempered 6mm thick glass. Number 4. DreamLine Flex Semi-Frameless Shower Enclosure. You can complete your bathroom in style with this glass shower enclosure and chrome hardware. This isn't only one of the best glass shower enclosures. It is a high-quality model that is available at a pocket-friendly price. The DreamLine Flex Pivot Shower Enclosure offers a modern design for those who desire a clean and functional shower space. This model, which measures up to 60.443 x 723, allows a width adjustment of 43 to simplify installation. The Flex shower door is the perfect solution for your renovation project if you want a permanent shower enclosure, as it comes with a lifetime warranty. On its dimensions, it has a 23-inch access width. The 1/43, 6mm, thick high-quality clear tempered glass is certified. It features a semi-frameless design with glass walls. The solid brass hinges provide durability and luxury. However, this is not for DIY enthusiasts. Professional installation is recommended. Why is it special? Limited lifetime warranty. Quality chrome finish. Wide walk-in width. Thick and sturdy. Easy to install. Number 5. Vigo Verona VG 6061 BNCL 42W Shower Enclosure. Vigo Verona is another frameless shower stall that will perfectly complement every bathroom. On top of that, it's slightly wider and has more depth than most of the aforementioned products, boasting 42 inches on both sides. With 78.75 inches in height, I would say this is a pretty comfortable shower enclosure. If we add a swinging door to the product, it's pretty clear that this one isn't made for smaller bathrooms. On the brighter side, we have a high-quality glass and brushed nickel finish. Sure, you can pick up one with the chrome finish, but this one is fine too. On the top, we have two hinges that greatly support two side glasses, holding them tightly in one place. At the bottom, there is a shower base, which apparently isn't the best one in terms of roughness. When we take its price of $850 and the sheer quality of this shower kit, it's pretty clear that the price is heavily justified. That being said, if you want a product that comes with a great price to performance ratio, you can't go wrong with this one. Just don't expect it to fit into a smaller bathroom. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.